Okay guys, we've got a crack waiting to happen. That's all it is just a crack. I've already drilled it, and you know we're going to pop it. And I've already told the customer that it could go. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that beautiful little chip in the middle of that. I'm so good I scare myself. I've been popping lines for a long time. Anyway, I did warn you that it could go because the glass is extremely hot, even though you're in the shade. That glass is so hot I can barely keep my hand on it still. I mean, it's just hot. She had it parked in the driveway. She pulled it over, what, about 10 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago now? About 10 minutes ago, and the windshield's still so hot I can barely touch it. But, you know how it is. When you have other customers waiting, you got to get going. And it's cool enough, I didn't think it would crack, but there's always a chance that it will. Come on, tool. There we go. Now we're centered over it. Almost. Now we're centered. Alright guys, so you guys have seen me do this a lot. But the windshield has to be cool enough that when you put your hand on it, you can leave it there. I mean, obviously it's kind of hot on my hand, but it's like hot water out of the sink. It's not so hot that it's going to blister me or make me pull my hand away. So make sure the windshield is always cool enough that you can put your hand on it before you pop a chip. You saw what happened on that van. That van that just wanted to keep running. We stopped it after the third or fourth attempt. I can't remember how many attempts we had to do on that one to get it to stop cracking, but we stopped it and we filled it and it looked great when we were done, but it's still a pain in the butt having to do that. But there was no way for me to get that van in the shade and let it cool down like we did this car. I just happened to have some little bit of extra time. So we're gold. And that line is filling in beautifully, ladies and gentlemen. If I wouldn't have popped it, I personally can never get them to fill if I don't pop them. I know some people say they can, but I'm wondering if they're getting them to fill all the way or if they're just getting a little bit of resin in the center of the line and then thinking that's good enough. Not me. I want that line to be 100% completely filled. Top line's filled in all the way. But remember, the resin loves to wick uphill. So it does take longer to fill the bottom line than it does the top line. And when the top line is completely full, you cannot put as much pressure on your resin to fill the bottom line, because if you do, you're adding way more pressure to that top line than is needed. And you don't want to do that. So what you do with the bottom line is you get enough pressure to see it starting to fill again, and then you pull a vacuum and you cycle it. And you just cycle it. That bottom line takes longer to fill, but you don't want to add too much pressure to cause that top line to go. And I don't know if you can see what I see, but it's looking pretty doggone full to me. How long ago did you call me? You called me at noon, right? Or a little before noon? And it's 1:20. I got here a little before 1. So I'm pretty fast. Pretty fast getting to my customers today. I got to get that little bit of air out of that bottom right there. I can see that air pocket in there. We don't like air pockets. We got to let that air work its way out. That little air pocket is in the chip that I created. It doesn't want to leave. It doesn't want to go away. We're going to get it to go away though. Yep, top line's completely filled. Bottom line is completely filled. All we're concerned about is that stupid little air pocket. It's really difficult to see the line when it's completely filled. But I can see it opening and closing. Pressure cycle one more time. I am really concentrating here, guys. There is still an air pocket in there. I don't like that. I don't like there being an air pocket in there. So we close the tool all the way down, and then we put it on the glass and we just pull a full vacuum. And that should, in theory, draw the air out. Boom, the air's gone. That's how we do it, my friends. I don't like leaving air pockets in windshield chips. Don't like doing it. We're not doing that today. And this young lady sitting here watching me. She closed her eyes when I popped the chip. She was like, I'm not watching. Made her nervous. I don't blame her. I would have got nervous too. Well, the windshield's cooling off real nice now. Now that we're done. Almost done. All right, let's park it back in the driveway so the sun can cure it. Again, just don't close your door real hard yet. There, I helped her. Get my book off the tire before it gets ran over. We'll just let her park in the sun. Good enough. Now guys, I've been popping lines for quite a while, and it always makes me nervous when I do it on an extremely hot windshield like this. And I always tell the customer, always, that there's a chance it can go when I do that. But they also know that there's definitely going to crack if we don't try to repair it, right? So we were like, I told you I got to pop it, and there's a possibility it could crack, and you're like, if we don't try, it's going to crack anyway. The difference is if we can fix it, now it won't crack from that chip ever again.
Right.
You might get another crack from another chip, but you'll never get that one to crack again. Especially if it's invisible. That means I got the lines completely full of resin. You're still going to catch a glint of the line though, when the sun hits it just right, because the resin blocks more light than the glass does. So you're going to be able to see the line once in a while when the sun hits it just right. But for now, we're going to let that cure for a minute while I go put my umbrella away. No sense in just standing there. She's a good lady. She was like, I understand. It might crack, I get it. And most of my customers are that way. They're just good people. I have fantastic customers. I do. I ain't gonna lie. Might as well get the mirror off the inside of the windshield now. That's curing up nice. She's short. Hard for my fat ass to get in this car. I ain't that short. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. You can't even see a glint of the line with the tape on it. Hey, ladybug. Hey, ladybug. Come here. Come here. Hey, don't run away from me. These are my pants. These are my pants, stupid. Okay, that's it. Get on my hand. Come on. Come on, you have to get on my hand whether you like it or not. You're going to be trapped for life if you don't get on my hand. Come on. Get on my... There you go. Now, I need you to fly away. Fly away. Go on. Fly away. There you go. You know, if you hold them up and they'll crawl to the highest point, and once they realize there's nothing above it, they'll just fly away. I don't like to kill ladybugs. Ladybugs all eat all those little nasty bugs off the plants that we don't like. So I like to save them if I can. Can you see it? Not from back there. My rag's a little smeary. You might have to rewash your windshield. Okay. After doing dirty windshields all day, my rag gets a little smeary. Both of them do. Okay, there's a piece of tape or something stuck in this one. That's why it's doing what it's doing. Where is it? There's that and that. There's something stuck in this rag. That's what causes them to leave those really dark streaks. Like those. Is if something is stuck in the rag. Like a piece of tape. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better. Alright. Your windshield's all nice and smeary now. But it's fixed. I don't think you'll be able to see it from inside. Let's check it. You can't see nothing. You check it. You got gooder eyes than I do. Alright guys, you know what to do. Click the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video, throw me some love, let me know if you learned anything in this video or not. Because, you know, it's nice to know if you learned something. Like I said, when you're working in the heat, This glass is already getting so hot I can barely keep my hand on it again. What do you say the temperature is? Supposed to get to 101 today, and I think we're already there. Alright guys, hit the subscribe button. See ya.